Hi, welcome to 582 Callaghan Road. We're in Emyvale, Prince Edward Island, and I'd love to show you this custom home. Come on in and I'll give you a tour. Thanks for joining me on this tour of this lovely custom home. If you would like some more information, send me a message and I am happy to send you a link. I'm Lisa McEwen with eXp Realty, licensed in both Ontario and Prince Edward Island. Matching real estate with lifestyles is what I do.